I am going to talk about engagement in Facebook. Engagement on Facebook. What is engagement on Facebook? When you click on your profile, you see engagement. On that details of your profile, that is inside, you will see information about your your page. You see engagement. What is that engagement? It's all about. That is the engine room of what Facebook so much like the Facebookers to be doing. Number one, engagement simply means you are to be commenting busy on somebody's content every day or anytime that you are online. You should be what? Making comments. People that they are commenting on your content, they are also part of what? Engagement. You are engaging yourself and your fans on things that they so much like. You can engage them by mere talking, by mere gist, by mere sharing stories about their life. Engage them by what? Viewing or watching what you are producing. When you engage them, when they like the content, they watch the content, they will make comment. Number one, they will share the comment. Number two, they will comment. They will like, comment, share the content. Those three things that they did is what we call engagement on Facebook. And engagement are the things that will bring followers, will bring the Facebook to get what? To get your page to be monetized. If you are not engaging your followers and you are expecting Facebook to pay you, no way, because you are not engaging. What that engagement means and what is the benefit of that engagement? Number one, they are using people so that data that you have buy or you bought and recharge your phone and convert it into some data to watch online. The money has been converted. So for you to be paid back, you must what? Engage somebody also to watch from it. Yes, watch your content, comment about the content, just engage the person. Let the person be busy on that your content. Secondly, you too, that you need people to engage from your content. You will be busy liking people's comments, liking others' comments. Just comment about somebody's content, like about somebody's comment, just like. If possible, like with heart this thing, sign. Facebook, that means you have making what? You have produced two comments about the person. Number one, you make a like, you like the content. Number two, you have showed the feelings, what you have feel about the content. The person, what is said, you have showed him your feelings about it. So that is the engagement. Engage people, make a good content that people will like to comment, like, share. You too, go to somebody's page or content, comment, like, share. It's your own gain. You see it in your engagement results. And people that they are doing this are non-followers most of times. When you check your statistic very well, you see that you find out that non-followers are the people doing such kind of things. Your followers are just a small in number, but non-followers are the one doing all these things. So it's not necessarily, or it's not that you must follow the person before you be engaged. Engage in that pages. When you engage yourself in it, you'll be well known. Number one. Number two, people they would like to know you more. Number three, you advertise your business by using that engagement strategies. And number four, Facebook will make you top fan on every post that you have posted on the Facebook. When you make a post, people that they are not even your followers, they will see it, they will comment about it, they will make what they will share your content. Follow for more. If you need something like this, follow for more. Thank you.